This will be a brief video on how to update your online community profile. Log on to your community and go to your profile. Here you'll see on the left-hand side, you are able to upload a photo or change a photo. And then below there, you'll see various demographic information that is listed for you from our secure user and member database. If you want to edit it, you may do so by selecting this pencil icon. On this section, you may include a bio that's just to share information about yourself, your work life, and personal interests. And then here, these are somewhat self-explanatory, but to add more or to edit them, you would select these buttons and then add or remove any of the content that you want to have here. Thanks for updating your profile, and we look forward to seeing it updated soon.